name's Cody Norris. I'm on the Alienware marketing team, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about the new Alienware 15, 17, and 13 laptops that were just refreshed with the Kaby Lake processors. So this product launched at PAX West this year, PAX Prime, pardon me. We introduced a whole new design language. So what customers will notice is that we've gone to what we call a hinge forward design. So now instead of the panel being all the way back, we've actually pulled it forward to allow for extra venting here in the back. But what we've also done is reduce the overall height of the product in doing that, while still maintaining the same thermal controls. So still when the customer's in the game and they're running it at high speeds, high settings, the machine's still going to stay cool. You're not going to have any overheating problems, etc. So still a mag alloy chassis. Yeah, so you'll also notice that the other large change for the ID itself is that our Alien FX software and Alien FX lighting have changed. They used to be just here on the front, and then you also had the light pad. But we've since also added them here, and then also on the back. And the reason why we're doing that is it allows the customer to engage with the game more. And as the Alien FX, which basically they interact with the game, the lighting. So for instance, if you're playing a game and you're low on health, everything's going to start blinking red if it's Alienware FX enabled, right? So what we've done is actually move the Alien FX lighting zones such that it's more prominent and more easy to see for the customer when they're in the middle of the game versus what we had in our previous generation. Also, currently exclusive to the Alienware 17 is Toby Eye Tracking. So you'll notice that's what you see right here is the actual Tobii Eye Tracking, the eye tracking sensors. So what this does is allows the customers in games that are enabled with Tobii Eye Tracking to use their eyes as another input device. So if you're playing a game, you can actually use your eyeballs to aim, and it reduces the reaction time. But also, it's just a new way to game, a new experience for the customer. And currently, that's exclusive to the 17. In addition to the eye tracking, it also works with Windows Hello, so full biometric security. But yeah, this is the Alienware 17. We're real excited about it. So this morning actually, first day of CES, we refreshed the platform with the new Kaby Lake processors. So we kept the same exact design language, but refreshed it with the new Kaby Lake processors. So another change that you're going to notice on this machine versus the previous generation is the port configuration. So we've added USB Type-C. You still have your standard 3.5mm audio headset and microphone jack. Then you have USB on the side, USB 3.0, and then on the back, you'll notice, let's see here. On the back, we've also moved the power adapter, or the power plug, which used to be on the side. We moved to the back to get it out of the way of the customer, and also just allow a little more flexibility on the shelf space. So power, you've also got the Alienware graphics amplifier dock, so fully compatible with that, which means that downstream, whenever the next generation, so the NVIDIA 11 series comes out, this machine will still be upgradable via the Alienware graphics amplifier versus having to go out and replace the whole machine. You can upgrade your graphics via the graphics amp. You've got another Type-C. You've got HDMI, mini display port, and then network. But what we've done is moved the most commonly used, with the exception of the USBs, to the back, just to get them out of the way, for the customer to have a cleaner desk, but also just to keep all the clutter off, right? Now we're looking at the Alienware 13. Again, this is still the same design language that we talked about a moment ago on the 17. However, this is our mobile gaming solution. You still have gaming class processors. Again, Kaby Lake, which just launched. You've still got the Pascal graphics, the 10 series from NVIDIA. This guy is upgradable all the way to the 1060 right now. We're still exploring options on the 1070 for this box. And what you're going to notice on this panel versus that panel is the OLED display. So the Oled Screen technology, basically what it gives you is blacker blacks, faster refresh rates, etc. So for games like Street Fighter 2, it's stunning. So that panel option is exclusive to the 13 versus the 15 and 17. And last year here at CES, we announced the previous generation, which was the first 13-inch laptop to have the OLED panel. This is just a new and improved. So basically, generation over generation, what happened is using the hinge forward design. Again, same design language here. We were able to drastically reduce the height, make this a more portable machine, while still managing to keep it nice and cool when the customer's out there, when the customer's playing in game. You'll notice that the Alien FX treatment, again, it's the same. It moved from the back. It's the same treatment here on the sides, which currently looks to be, they're actually off. But you also got your 3.5 millimeters, same as the 17. Really, another thing that I really like about this generation of laptops, one thing that we've always held true to is security for the customer. So a lot of people with the 13 take this to school, take it to work, whatever. We also include the Kensington lock port here so the customer can secure it if they're not around it. Again, looking at the back, you've got all the ports that we talked about on the 17. Graphics amplifier port, power moved as well. USB Type-C, HDMI, mini display port, and network. And you'll notice that really it's a very thin product, so there's not a lot of excess waste. And on this product, again, hitting on the graphics amplifier, the beauty of this product is regardless of which graphics card you put in there, as you know, like the new Titan comes out, you could add Titan class graphics to this product via the graphics amplifier while still maintaining the portability that you get with the 13. So in addition to the beautiful OLED, the blacks that we talked about, this machine also has a touch option, which is very convenient when you're out there, when you're out and about, you're sending emails or whatever the case may be. It makes it very convenient to have that touch option. Again, the reason why we went with the touch option on this machine versus on the 15 and the 17 as well is the size lends itself to portability. So the customer's really going to be out and about, and that's where they tend to use the touch options. Okay, so the product we're looking at right now is the Alienware 15. Same design language that you saw previously with the 13 and the 17 that we reviewed. This product also, like the 17, has the availability for the Kaby Lake K processors, so the customer can go in there and overclock, and you can do that dynamically through the Alienware software or the Command Center software. Again, same design language. This is just really the perfect combination between portability and power. So the customer that wants to have a desktop type experience in the house, this gives them all that power. But if they want a machine that they can take on the road with them, they have that option as well.